Every second, your cells are aging. But what if aging isn't inevitable? What if the foods you eat could switch off the genes that make you old and turn on the genes that make you young again? Harvard scientist Dr. David Sinclair believes it's possible, and he's living proof. Dr. Sinclair, a professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School, has spent more than 20 years studying one profound question: why do we age, and how can we stop it? His research reveals that aging is not simply the result of time passing. It's a loss of information inside our cells, an epigenetic breakdown that turns off critical genes while activating the ones that cause decline. But the most surprising discovery is this: aging can be slowed, even reversed, by changing the signals we send to our genes. Deep within every cell are longevity genes, known as sirtuins. These genes act like cellular guardians. They repair DNA, remove damaged cells, and regulate energy production. When sirtuins are active, the body heals faster, inflammation decreases, and aging slows down. But as we get older, their activity fades, largely because of lifestyle and diet. Dr. Sinclair discovered that we can reactivate these genes through the foods we eat. Instead of consuming foods that accelerate aging, like processed sugars, refined oils, and excess meat, he focuses on foods that trigger the body's natural repair systems. These are real, simple, natural ingredients that help your cells function as if they were young again. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, supports your mitochondria, the energy factories of your cells. Blueberries, loaded with polyphenols, protect your DNA from oxidative stress. Dark chocolate, when it's over 85% cacao, activates sirtuins and improves circulation. Green tea provides catechins that defend against free radicals. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, reduces inflammation deep in the body. Nuts, especially walnuts, nourish the brain and stabilize blood sugar. And vegetables like broccoli and spinach boost NAD+ production, the key molecule for energy and cellular repair. These foods don't just nourish you, they reprogram your biology. They activate the same longevity pathways that fasting or cold exposure would, without the discomfort. Every bite sends a signal to your DNA saying, repair, renew, stay young. Dr. Sinclair also emphasizes the power of NAD+, the molecule that fuels all cellular activity. Without NAD+, sirtuins cannot function. Aging accelerates, repair slows, and vitality fades. By eating the right foods, and sometimes using NAD+ precursors like NMN, he restores the body's ability to regenerate at the cellular level. It's like recharging the batteries of every cell in your body. But food alone isn't enough. Dr. Sinclair combines his diet with intermittent fasting, daily exercise, and exposure to mild cold. These small, controlled stresses force the body to adapt and strengthen, a concept known as hormesis. Instead of avoiding discomfort, he teaches the body to thrive through it. The result? His biological age is nearly 14 years younger than his actual age. At 54, Dr. Sinclair has the biomarkers of a man in his late 30s. His skin, eyes, and energy levels reflect a system that's still youthful and vibrant. He's not chasing immortality. He's demonstrating that aging can be delayed, and in some cases, reversed. Through years of self-experimentation and research, he's proven that what we eat, how we live, and the small stresses we endure all shape how fast we age. Aging is not your destiny. Every choice you make, every bite of food, every step you take, every night of rest, can either accelerate decay or activate renewal. You have the power to switch your genes from aging to healing. The science is clear, the tools are simple, and the transformation begins with you. Just like Dr. Sinclair, you can choose to reprogram your age, starting today. When you eat right, rest right, exercise right, and think right, your body reprograms itself to rejuvenate. Every cell in your body begins to revive. Your energy increases, your sleep deepens, your memory becomes clearer, and your mood becomes brighter. If you find this knowledge useful, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment about the habit you want to adopt first. Each of your shares helps more people understand that aging is not a destiny, but a choice every day. Thank you for joining Health Wisdom, where we unlock the secret of eternal youth together.